Turning now to the deadly boat crash trial of real estate developer George Pino. We are officially on verdict watch. Pino's fate is now in the hands of 6 jurors. CBS News Miami's Nikiya Carrero is your reporter at the courthouse where the judge has sent the jury into a room to deliberate. Nikiya?
That's right, Lauren. Right now, 5 men and 1 woman are deliberating to determine whether or not Pino committed a crime when he hit that channel marker, killing his daughter's friend, 17-year-old Lucy Fernandez. But before the jurors were given instructions by the judge, the prosecution took another shot at presenting its case.
Imagine operating a car. A driver puts the pedal to the metal and makes that car go as fast as it can. That's what this defendant did with a boat full of kids.
Lead prosecutor Laura Adams decided to use the option to rebuttal the closing argument of Pino's defense, laying out on a board what they say are all the contributing factors to the boat crash.
What else makes this criminally negligent? He knows exactly where channel marker 15 is. First off, he'd gone past it earlier that very day to get up to the sandbar. But beyond that, you saw the track marks that were left from his boat time and time again of him going from Ocean Reef to that sandbar.
Pino is charged with 2 charges. The first, vessel homicide. Prosecutors told jurors to ask themselves, is Lucy dead? Death was caused by the operation of the vessel, and was the vessel operated in a reckless manner, causing death or great bodily harm? The second, manslaughter. Was an intentional act committed causing death, and were the actions in totality result in death and caused by culpable negligence? Pino's defense telling the jury the state has not proven that Pino is guilty.
Nothing unusual about the way Mr. Pino was operating his vessel. He wasn't drag racing. He wasn't doing donuts in the water. He isn't like one of those jet skiers that's trying to jump weights and do all sorts of thrill-seeking activities.
His defense team saying his actions that day were not intentional. Pino's wife and daughter, whose birthday celebration it was that weekend, cried as his lawyer said their client did not want to put anyone's life at risk.
He may not be the coolest dad, but he's also not a crook.
Now, the judge told everyone that she will be giving jurors till 8 o'clock tonight to deliberate. Then she will bring them back into the courtroom and ask how close they are to making a decision. We will be here throughout this evening to bring you the latest developments. Reporting live in Miami, Nikiya Carrero, CBS News, Miami.